Alin? Yung usok? Just gonna withdraw some money. I got my easy card. Nahirapan kami mag-withdraw. We're gonna go to high-speed train. MRT to high-speed train. High-speed rail. Not sure. You're the one who booked the ticket. Do we have a ticket already or we're gonna buy? Are we going to buy the ticket or we already have? We have the ticket or not yet? It's ano bang mo? Skytrain? Skytrain ba yung binook mo? Why not Skytrain? Skytrain is faster. Shoot. My easy card. Gamitin ko to, pamasahe. We're gonna take Taiwan MRT Airport. Hindi na yata tayo kasya. This one. I hope we're heading to the right place. The right way. Or we're also lost our way. Not sure, but we're going to the high-speed train terminal. So we can go to our hotel. So not sure if this is the right way. Wait, my bag is so heavy. I did not bring the trolley, so I was just carrying it. It's heavy. Hey, we're in Taiwan. We're going to Taipei, from the airport to Taipei. We're going to Ximending. Naliligaw na naman kami. Tinulungan na nga kami ng isang local. The local lady helped us. Hindi to labubu ha. Gacha. Ano yan? Bibilin mo? You're gonna buy it?
Hindi, parang ano. Maglalagay ka naman. Kaso wala ako. So, let's just...
Ang dami nga ano. Too much. Ayun na hanggang doon. Well, actually, naliligaw pa kami. So, dapat kami... Ayun yung kasabay natin nag-withdraw ng pera. Ayan o, yung dalawa. Sundan mo na lang sila.
Alam ko na kung saan. Nahanap ko lang kasi ba yung green eh. Tandaan mo.
Oh, we're tired. We're tired already. Yan o. Pusa. Ganyan. Lalakad pa rin kami hanggang ngayon. Yan. We're in Taipei Metro. Oops. Okay, we go this way. Ano ba to? First day only and we walk far already. It's okay.
After nito, sasakay tayo ng train, tapos lalakad nito.
OMG, Baba.
Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, please do not force the door when hearing the phone alarm. Thank you.
Uy, ganda. So, dito na kami. Hanapin muna namin yung hotel namin. So, hindi namin makikita. And mabigat yung luggage ko. Haba-haba luggage. Heavier. Dito lang kami nag-check-in kasi malapit sa ano, sa station. Cute. Ikaw na anak, sit na lang ako. No problem? Okay. So, yun. So, we're tired, but the hotel is not allowing us to check in this early. We must go back at 3 o'clock. That's the check-in time. So, just roaming around here with my little girl.
siya.
Leaving the hotel. This is the hotel balcony. Alis na kami. Yeah. Look at the view. It's not that good. Yeah. Leaving the hotel.
Say, wait. They don't love you, I love you.